So hello everyone, Nikhil this side. This is our second part of general ship knowledge. It is marine term second part, marine term and definition meaning. So first part in that we have covered the LOA, LVP, VE, breadth, molded, depth of vessel, draft and all that. Here we have completed up to forward perpendicular. So from this the forward perpendicular is what? It is just a perpendicular between the waterline, forward waterline and forward waterline and the base. So second, this is after perpendicular. It is also the same as like the backward after is used in ship as for the backward side. So backward side is called aft, that is afterward part. So aft perpendicular is what? It is the backward side perpendicular from the waterline to the below side. Next we have what from aft, it is amidships. Amidships is the center. This is center of the ship. From the amidship is like what? It is the center of ship from both the direction, like horizontal and vertical. In the ship terms we use that longitudinal and lateral. It is the mid it is the mid part of the ship from horizontal and vertical both, like the center of the ship. Next we have a beam. A beam is just nothing. It is just the perpendicular right away from the ship. Like for example, I have this charger here. We have, so like we have this we have the ship and perpendicular from the, like this is the ship in such a way, and if we perpendicular to it like this. So the perpendicular you can see just right away from the point, that is the what, a beam. Like this we have the ship. This is our ship. So this is, here we have the ship, like perpendicular from the ship like this, the perpendicular from the mid to rightward and to leftward like this is the a beam. After a beam we have right ahead. Right ahead is just nothing. It is just after forward side of the ship, like this we have the ship in such a way, and this is the after right ahead, like front side of the ship. And for right astern, as you know that this is the astern. In first video I had explained what is the astern and what is bow. Astern, and this is the bow, front part. So this is the right ahead and this is right astern. Right astern means right back, right aft side. Second we have waistline. Right astern, then baseline. Baseline is just the last line of the ship from which a ship is properly horizontally placed in such a, like by which we know that like in which manner like ship is placed. Is it up or down from any side? For that it is used. Next we have bilge radius. It is one of the most important thing you should have to know. Like the ship we have in such a way, if we made a ship, like if the ship in such a way, like it is from below part, if it will be like to put a little bit more sharp side like this, it will be more sharp side, then it will be little bit hard and little bit more pressure ship will face to cross the sea, or to float in sea. So to decrease that pressure, most of the engineer use a different, like they made a curve here. They made a curve, like they made a curve in such a way, like this is the ship, then they made it like this. They made a curve here. So the radius of this curve, by which the curve is got turned, by which the sharpness that will make that got turned, that is the radius of for that curve is called the bilge radius. So this is bilge radius. Bow and astern, I had already explained you that the front side is bow and the back side is astern. Next we have trim. So trim is one of the most important component. Like you take a little bit look about it like this. Trim is what? If we place a ship in water in such a way, like this is let we have the vessel in such a way, like this is the our vessel, and it is placed in water, and up to this the water is explained. If you see in like toward the history about 2000 times, to about 2000 eras, at that time ships was little bit they used the ship little bit more up from the forward side and a little bit down from the backward side. For that, like this, if they place ship in such a way, they cut it from the front side. If they cut from the front side, then the front side will be a little bit upsided and back side will be a little bit downsided. So from this it becomes this. So this is the trim. This is the trim. The people also used, they have a even trim and odd trim also used. They used Neil for that. Neil is also one of the most important components. So all these are the just little bit concept of the ship to know about how it got placed in water and how it got placed in ship. So here we have completed our first chapter, that is marine terms definition and meaning. So if you didn't see first part, so see it also. Thank you.